Right now, your consciousness just collapsed a wave function in the quantum field. As your eyes scan these words, billions of neurons are literally constructing the reality you're experiencing. But here's something mind-bending that cutting-edge science just discovered. Before the Big Bang ever happened, there was the same type of observer consciousness that's operating inside you at this very moment. Physicists have just used supercomputers to simulate what existed before time itself began. And what they found will completely transform how you think about manifestation. Our universe didn't start from some random cosmic explosion, but from a conscious observation process that selected one specific reality out of infinite possibilities. You carry this exact same power. Your focused attention doesn't just perceive reality. It literally chooses which version of reality gets to exist out of trillions of parallel possibilities. And this explains why some of your manifestations work like magic, while others seem to hit an invisible wall. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'm about to show you how to use this discovery to manifest with the precision of a quantum physics experiment. For almost a century, asking what happened before the Big Bang was dismissed by the scientific community as meaningless. Like asking what's north of the North Pole. The laws of physics would break down into infinities, and time itself ceased to have any meaning. But recent breakthroughs are changing everything. A team of cosmologists from King's College London, Queen Mary University, and Oxford have used cutting-edge computational methods called numerical relativity to peer beyond the veil of the universe's violent birth. Unlike simplified models that treat the universe as smooth and uniform, these simulations dive into the chaotic, uneven terrain that truly existed in those first fractions of a second. What they found points toward an observer-like consciousness, collapsing infinite quantum possibilities into the reality we call our cosmos. This connects directly with your personal experience of manifestation. Like a lighthouse sweeping its beam across a foggy sea of quantum potential, your focused attention shines a light that crystallizes one reality out of countless possible ones. But this light isn't always steady. Doubt, fear, and distraction scatter that beam and dissipate your power across many alternative realities, making it harder for your desires to manifest. Understanding this isn't just intellectual. It's the practical key to stepping out of passivity and becoming the true architect of your reality. Think about those moments when everything just seems to flow. When coincidences stack up, opportunities appear, and you know you're aligned with the universe's rhythm. These aren't random occurrences. Each successful manifestation is a quantum collapse where your consciousness selects one timeline among infinite others. But how often have you felt stuck despite your best efforts? That's because the quantum field isn't linear. It's a swirling ocean of waves and frequencies, requiring not just focus, but also rest, faith, and emotional alignment. What frequencies are you broadcasting? Are they tuned to creation's signal or lost in the noise? This emerging science invites you to become an active co-creator, rising from passive observer to conscious navigator of existence itself. Numerical relativity is like an advanced lens, revealing the universe beyond traditional scientific models. It lets us glimpse what was happening before the Big Bang, a realm where time hadn't yet formed, and consciousness was already operating across infinite fields of possibility. As you listen now, your brain is engaging in similar processes, sorting patterns, firing neurons, weaving together the reality you're experiencing. Quantum physics bridges these two scales, showing us that existence isn't a straight line, but an intricate web of interconnected realities. Manifestation, then, is no longer just mental effort, but a delicate dance with the quantum field where you serve as both observer and co-creator. Ever notice the difference between pushing hard for a goal versus effortlessly allowing it to come to you? These groundbreaking findings about the universe's birth reflect your inner potential. Each cosmic expansion and contraction carries lessons about breathing with life, inhaling focus, and exhaling trust. Are you ready to ride this cosmic rhythm? Mastering this flow could shift your manifestations from occasional luck to continuous creative power. The universe you experience emerged from a quantum seed, a primordial moment where pure consciousness decided to manifest physical reality. Much like focusing your attention on a clear image or heartfelt intention, this moment crystallized one concrete timeline out of infinite potentials. The math behind numerical relativity reveals this process is far from random. Instead, it's governed by subtle and elegant physical laws where energy choices expand and contract rhythmically, mirroring the universe's breath. This explains why patience and persistence are vital in manifestation. The quantum field doesn't respond instantly. It loops and surfaces new realities only when the conditions perfectly align. When that moment arrives, your pineal gland acts as a fine-tuned receiver, picking up the universe's vibrational whispers. It's here that spiritual awakening happens, the expansion of consciousness syncing with the cosmic frequency that birthed all existence. Tesla's discovery of a master frequency that harmonizes all others offers a gateway to aligning your personal vibration with the universe, a key to effortless creation. Imagine living in a state where every thought's wave amplifies possibilities that unfold into your lived experience. Quantum theory doesn't just allow this, it confirms your innate ability to harness creation from the very beginning of time. Recent advances challenge the old narrative that the universe began with a chaotic explosion. Instead, evidence now suggests that the cosmos may have emerged from within a black hole, a quantum bounce where matter, reaching critical density, rebounded and expanded into the space-time we know. This paradigm shift eliminates the problematic infinities that once paralyzed physicists. Instead of a singularity where physics breaks down, we see a dynamic, self-regulating universe cycling through expansions and contractions in a cosmic breath. Your consciousness works in a similar way. When you focus on a desire that seemingly resists manifestation, you are actually building energetic density within the quantum field. When this energy reaches a tipping point, a quantum jump occurs, shifting your reality into alignment with your intention. Most people give up right before this jump. They feel stuck and frustrated, unaware that their persistence is precisely what leads to the breakthrough. Understanding this cosmic ebb and flow gives you not just power, but grace, the patience to sustain your focus until the universe is ready to respond. Meanwhile, the pineal gland acts as your internal compass, picking up the subtle vibrational cues that signal these quantum shifts. This is the gateway to a spiritual awakening, syncing your consciousness to the universal frequency that sparked creation. The master frequency Tesla spoke of isn't just theory. It's a practical vibrational key you can tune into to enhance the effortless birth of your deepest desires. And as quantum physics reveals the reality of multiple universes, consider this: at every choice point, countless versions of you exist simultaneously, each living out different potential realities. You're not creating these realities from scratch. You're navigating through them, tuning into the frequency that resonates with your true self. Each thought you hold sends out waves that ripple through the quantum fabric, influencing which timelines become tangible. Understanding and harnessing this truth transforms manifestation from a guessing game into an informed, conscious process. If all of this feels overwhelming, remember one thing: conscious creation is a practice, not an event. The deeper truths of the universe aren't secrets locked away from you. They're invitations to step into a new way of living, where your consciousness reshapes what's possible. I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced moments where your manifestations seemed to flow effortlessly? Times when the universe appeared to nudge or guide you in a direction that felt too precise to be coincidence. Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire and help others navigating their quantum path. Now, stay curious and watch the next video you see on screen. It's designed to take this conversation further, opening doors to realities many aren't even aware exist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.